Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can customize and edit the appearance of your TickTick account. So let us begin. Alright guys, so navigate to the TickTick account, for example via the desktop app, and click into your username in the top left, and that is going to redirect you to your account settings. So here obviously click into appearance, and now you can choose between theme and display. So you can, for example, customize the color theme and choose a different interface style here, like from flat to card, like this. So the difference is pretty minimal, but okay. But then you can also choose a different night theme here and switch automatically between night and day theme. Or you can go with one of these color series here. So currently I'm using the dark color, dark mode, but I can also go, I don't know, let me go with sunshine, for example, and then you can choose to always keep this theme or just once, and then keep it temporarily. If you keep it like that, the automatic switch will be kept. So guys, below you can go also with some other themes like black and white, spring, and so on and so forth. So let me use, for example, New York. And as you can see, I don't have access to this theme, but if you have access to this series here, you can tell by that icon here, right, that it's not available, at least for my account status. So that's how you do it, guys. You can also customize the dark color theme here and customize these colors, right? And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.